channel.
Hey,
Today,
Nene.
I am going to be doing another slime video, but I do have a special guest. Come on up. Hi guys!
Hey, Kennedy.
My best friend Kinidie, and today we're going to be doing a slime video, like always. But next video, we might not do slime because we've been doing slime for a while, and I think it's time to try new things.
Okay, sounds good.
And try something different. So,
okay.
Yes.
So,
but
let's get started.
This video, we're just going to be making slime.
Okay.
And these are our containers
that we're going to use to put the slime in. And this is the container
that we're going to make it.
Slime in.
Okay.
Yeah, we need oh, thank you.
We have two?
Just one.
Okay.
Let me go get it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll be right back, y'all.
She'll be right back.
So go ahead. So
first, I want to show you the ingredients that I have. So first, I have glitter.
okay, silver glitter.
Silver because it goes with everything.
Okay.
Then I have some shaving cream that I've been had.
Oh, okay.
Then I get 2 paints because I don't have any.
Food coloring.
Purple one, yeah, the purple one, and then the blue one. I really like this color.
Okay.
And I got the lighter one because I really like the light pink, the light purple.
Okay.
And then I have the Tide.
Oh.
And the big outlet.
Oh, the Elmer's glue. Is that the right one?
Yeah.
I have a feeling we bought the wrong one.
No, Daddy, we brought.
Isn't this the one that didn't work the last time?
Cameraman, the other one was the one that
The washable?
That guys.
No, I don't know.
Okay. Okay, let's get started.
So let's move
So what do we
the
do
stuff out of
first?
the way.
You want to see what we have?
I already showed them. First, we're going to pour
Pour the glue.
the glue. Open it.
Okay.
Teamwork
Mix it.
makes the dream.
Be careful with it. Okay, go
I'll
ahead.
hold the bowl.
Oh, that's a lot of glue.
Oh God, it's burping.
Isn't
A
that,
little bit more.
that's too much.
That's-
There you go.
Okay, that's
there you
enough.
go. Okay.
Okay. Here.
Oh, my.
Put the cover on it. Here's a napkin. Wipe it off.
It's washable.
Now, we're going to put the paint in.
No.
Should we? No? I don't know.
I'm clumsy. Sorry, people. Okay, you do. I'll do 1 squirt and you do 1 squirt.
Okay.
Shake it up.
Oh.
It's okay.
There you go.
Okay, next we're going to do the Tide and then we're going to mix.
The
Tide.
Tide or the food coloring?
Tide. We're not going to use the food. yet.
Okay, let me open it. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm strong.
Okay. See ya.
It's too much.
You're probably going to end up using all of that.
No.
That is.
Ooh, it looks like a
A
invisible cake.
Yeah, or like a blue cloud cream.
Mhm.
And now let's mix. I need to lift my sleeves.
Uh-oh.
You don't have sleeves. It's fine.
I actually do, but they're short.
Okay.
I think we used too much shaving cream.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we might have.
Uh-oh.
Oh God. Yeah. Oh God. Keep mixing.
That looks like it's holding.
This plastic thing is not working for me.
Oh!
You may have to dive in with your fingers.
I feel like this is gonna pop.
Oh! You guys saw that?
The thing is gonna pop. I feel like. Mine I put too much.
Yeah, we both put too much shaving cream in this.
Oh, man. Does that mean it's spoiled? Do we have to start all over again?
No.
No.
We have to make this work,
Okay.
guys.
I'm
gonna
gonna
make-
make my hands. I don't care.
Yeah, sometimes.
Cause this is not working for me.
You gotta
This
go
little part
in.
right here is kind of coming together. A little bit, maybe. Trying to.
Do you need more soap?
I think so. We need
Soap.
more activator.
Tide.
Tide.
Oh,
Daddy, what is wrong with you? Too sticky. We need more over here.
that's probably too much, mommy.
All right. It's enough.
I think
it's
you
coming
guys
together.
messed
It's
it
coming
up.
together just a little bit. Just a little bit.
I think
Just
you
a little
guys
bit.
put too much shaving cream. It's all messed up.
Wait, no, never.
You don't know that.
Oh,
Yeah,
man. I hope not.
It's not over yet.
Maybe I'll give it a second chance if my hands aren't ruining it
Yeah.
even more than what it's already supposed to.
It's coming together right here.
Yeah, kind of.
Over here, it's just a big old glump.
Yeah. Over here, it's not coming together.
Look!
Oh,
Look at
my
mine, look at hers.
God. Oh no, this is not looking too good.
Hers is coming together.
Look, this is tiring and it's worth it, but it hurts.
Come on, Ma. This has got to come together.
What did you just call it?
I said,
Come
come on,
on.
mines.
Okay, we may have to start all over again.
No,
No.
hers.
We got to make this work.
She needs to fix hers. You take some.
Okay.
That's it. Oh, God. Oh.
It's better?
It's coming together.
Ah.
Kind of coming together.
Oh.
I'm sorry, my lips are ashy, but don't look at that, please, don't look at that.
Oh, my God.
Coming together.
Yeah, it's literally turning into slime. Guys, look up closely. It's coming to slime.
Yep. Where are you at, Jania? What's going on your side?
Not in a good place right now.
Oh, man.
But you're gonna get the hang of it. Oh my God, though. Look at her.
Alright.
My shoulder.
That's not a complete fail. I think both of you guys are on track.
This
It's not a good consistency?
For me, not at all.
Uh-oh.
But look at yours.
Is it too sticky? Maybe you need to put some more
Shaving? Never mind.
Tide
Don't
on-
even think about
tide
shaving.
on it.
Whoa.
You look like you're there, mommy.
Kind of.
Whoa.
Is that really?
Is that Juby? Star.
She's playing with the bone. Well, she's eating it.
This is cool.
Mm-hmm.
It literally it's coming in a slime.
So you
Look
need
at mine.
you need more Tide, Kennedy?
Yes, I think I
Yeah,
do.
because it's a bit sticky on your side. So, mommy, help her out a little bit. Put some on hers.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Look at hers.
What in the world?
What the heck?
Hers is perfect.
See, I'm the hacker of the slime.
And look at mine. What is this?
What in the world is going on here?
Whoever made this needs to get fired immediately.
That's not me.
Mommy, help her out. See if you could bring it back to life.
Bring it back to life.
Oh, I think that's too much.
Yeah.
Okay, keep
Yeah,
going.
yeah.
And try to get the stuff off the bottom. Maybe it'll be
Mine
better.
has come together completely.
Oh my God, mommy, look at that. Are you kidding
And
me?
then look at mine.
Let's just work on it some more. It'll get there.
Uh-huh.
I didn't do anything.
Jania, what did you do?
And
Why did yours turn out like that and hers turn out like this?
for
No.
real, I actually don't know. I really don't. Trust me. Trust the process.
No, I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna make it work.
Yeah, make it work.
I'm gonna make this work, I promise.
There you go. It's coming together. There you go. Just keep kneading it.
Mine was like that 5 minutes ago.
Yep. Just keep playing with it.
I I'm gonna make this work.
Maybe it'll become like mine. Soft and okay, I'm shut up.
Go ahead, Kennedy. You have to pull it out and play with it. Like, don't take it out of the can.
No, but what about the pool table?
And
I'll put it over
go
here.
like that. Keep mixing it. It's coming together. It's slowly coming together. Oh my God, that's so satisfying, though.
Ah!
Whoa, it's a mirror.
Wait, hold on.
There she is. She's coming together with it.
She's coming
It's
together.
looking good. Oh my God, Kennedy, you got it. You just have to keep mixing it in.
Okay, I'm gonna put the food coloring now, and I want to see how it turns.
Oh, I forgot about that part.
Yeah, I forgot. I kept looking at.
So you want to tell them the colors, or you already did that?
So I get this, yeah.
And you have the glitter too.
Yeah, the glitter. I might not use the glitter on this one because this one is so pretty, and I don't think it needs glitter.
Okay.
I'm sad, man.
Why? Yours is fine. Just keep kneading it. Keep mixing it.
Keep kneading it. I need to get rid of the smile. No. I need to get rid of the fake voice.
Jania,
No.
help her out. See if you could get it to life.
Okay. How am I
It's like it's already to slime, but it's just sticky.
Let me put this.
And yours is so.
There's only one top.
2. They're close together. Give me. Put it in there. Give me.
Woo!
Oh. No.
Oh,
Get it, mommy. Get it.
it's literally stuck on the.
Oh my God! This is
Hers is coming together. It's just. Oh my God. It's. Oh.
Okay. All right. Don't worry about it. I'll clean it up.
All right.
So.
Kinidie!
What did I do? Well, mine's came together, but it's just not like hers.
You're just.
Oh, Jania, yours.
Oh,
Oh God.
good
That
catch.
didn't
Oh man, good catch, Kennedy.
Wait, the video's not over yet.
I didn't show you credit.
Okay.
Because.
So how's she gonna resolve this, mommy? You're not helping. Put that back in the tub, and then you can revisit it later. Let's fix Kennedy's. See if we can fix it.
And now let me put the top on it.
Okay.
It's a perfect fit.
Oh my God, it's perfect. All right, let's see what's going on with Kennedy's. Okay, so give it to Jania, Kennedy. Let's see if she can bring it back to life.
Let me let your hands free.
It's too sticky.
It's already together. She just needs to make it.
Not sticky.
So does it need more Tide?
Yeah. No, because if we keep adding Tide and it keeps getting stickier, stickier, and stickier.
I think that's too much, mommy. Oh, don't pour that out.
I'm the master, okay? Just calm down, okay?
All right, let's see how this goes.
Trust the process.
Oh, it's actually coming together already.
Oh, girl. Sorry.
I don't want to mix my slime into hers.
You don't have to. It's separate. Oh, wow, mommy. Look at that.
How? But when I do it, it's a disaster.
Well, that's what it needed. You needed more Tide. There you go.
Just need to keep kneading
You
it.
just
I'm gonna
gotta
knead it.
knead it some more.
Hers is coming out good.
Mm-hmm.
See? Trust the process.
Yeah.
Jania!
Awesome. Good work, guys.
Thank you.
Wait, we haven't added the color yet.
You're not even going to add the color. Go ahead.
Well, I want to add mascara.
So you could use it to take the rest of it off your hands, Kennedy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's see if I can. This not really sticky anymore.
It's not sticking out.
Okay, Mommy, you could get yours out and add the coloring, whatever you need.
That is splashing everywhere. It just went.
Cool, Kennedy. You are back on track. Sweet.
Mine is still coming along.
What?
Mine is done. Completely.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, go subscribe.
Subscribe and hit that bell. Ding, ding.
Because
What color are you going to add to it?
I still don't know.
I'm gonna put pink. You already know.
That's purple.
Purple. No, I don't care.
I don't know because I don't really.
I need to keep an eye on the slime.
See, it's already that color, Mommy, so how's it going to look? You can try it.
I mean, I think I want to put it brighter.
Shut up. Let me see this. Let me see this. Let me see this. Let me see this. This or this? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This is terrible.
Remember, if you put the purple one, it's not going to have that pretty blue anymore. So,
My mom told me to pick this one right over here, but I changed my mind to pick this one right over here.
Wait,
Yeah, I picked this one.
excuse
I picked
me.
this
I
one.
want that one.
Yeah, of course I picked this one. Yeah, of course.
okay. All right, so let's go. Let's start the application. Uh-oh, it's sealed tight.
Literally.
Alright.
Can you open it?
Ah, got it. Think. Oh, God.
Got it.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Got it.
All right, you ready?
Three.
One,
Wait.
two.
Wait.
Wait. Does it have the thing on it?
Yeah, it's off. And 3, 2,
One.
1.
Jania is blue. Oh, that's pretty. And that's pretty. Purple. And
Oh.
blue.
My goodness.
Wow, Mom.
I love this color.
Alrighty.
Kennedy, how yours looking?
It's looking good. It looks farted.
You like the purple?
Look at this.
How does it look, Mommy?
Still
Look
coming
at this.
together.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
I need more.
I think that blue's gonna make it brighter.
It is.
This purple is cute.
Mm-hmm. It is.
We haven't made slime in a while, guys.
A long
wow.
time.
Have you been in my slime videos?
I think, no. Because I mean, the first day we had a slime video, you never posted it.
Yeah, you never posted it.
Uh-oh. I gotta go track it down. Did you add more money?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Right here.
Mm,
I can't find it, but it's so pretty.
it is.
It's still getting. It's still. Girl, that's too much. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough.
Look, guys. Wow.
Purple slime.
Purple slime.
And blue
Blue
slime.
slime. Purple
That's-
and blue slime.
That's pretty, guys. Good job. Do the finger one. Just
Okay.
bless you. Let it out. Let it out.
It's gone.
Don't hold it back. Always let it out.
All right, 3, 2.
Okay, that's it.
All right,
Bye, guys.
Wait.
Are you gonna put glitter?
Read them. Let me see.
Opening the thing.
This is really. I love this so much. You
Okay.
wanna do a bubble contest?
Yeah.
Okay. 3.
Mommy might
Careful, mommy. You're gonna get stuff on it.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video.
No.
Yes, it is. Bye.
Wait.
Subscribe.
You need to put the glitter in. Daddy, do you know
Give
how
me.
to do a montage?
Give me the.
Do you know how to do a montage?
Mm-hmm.
Can you do it for the glitter? I do like this. It's slowly though. That's gonna be so cool.
The glitter won't open.
What is
It's
this?
okay.
No, Daddy.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say
Bye,
bye.
guys.
Subscribe. Talk to you next time.